Hi there, hope you're all doing well. This week's Zombicide Undead or Alive mini is Vina from the Dead West set. She was black and white as Zenithly primed, and I get started with Dark Sun Yellow for her dress. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. You could also join Discord using the link in the description, where you can share anything you have been working on. Next up, I get all of the leather parts done with Cuirass leather. I'm doing this now instead of doing the highlights on the dress first, as if I make a mistake with this one, it's far easier to cover it up with that Dark Sun Yellow than it will be for the highlight. For all of the exposed skin, I went for Sunny skin tone. Now to start highlighting the leather parts and adding the base coat to her hair, I grabbed Paladin flesh. With all the leather parts now done, I start highlighting up the dress with sand yellow. This goes over all of the raised parts and just leaves that sort of darker tone in the recessed shadows. This is a bit brighter than I would normally use, but I seem to be missing a good collection of yellows from my paint collection. So this is the next step up that I have, and it's a little bit too bright in my opinion. While the dress is drying, I grabbed Plague Brown and gave the base a once over. Finishing off the dress and dotting in her eyes, I used pale yellow. This goes over the very tops of the folds, just where the light's hitting the most. Adding a highlight to her hair and finishing off her eyes, I went with Ancient Forest. For all of the metal parts, I grabbed Army Painter's gunmetal. To wash the Mini, I use Archaic Sepia wash. Thin down a fair bit, and on the dress I only applied this into the deepest of recesses just for that extra hint of shadow. Finishing up, I added some sandy desert texture to the base. And that will be it for Vina. I'm not 100% sure on the dress, but for the time frame I set myself, she still came out pretty good, I think. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. You could also join Discord using the link in the description, where you can share anything you have been working on. As always, if you want a closer look at this mini, check out my Instagram page. Don't forget to like, subscribe if you enjoyed. Most importantly though, be kind to each other.